Bringing you today in history on this day. South Sudan officially restarted crude oil production at the 30th oil field in Unity State Block 5A. On this day, Monday, June 21st, 2021, the announcement was widely reported on Tuesday, June 22nd, 2021, but the reopening ceremony and resumption of production took place the day before. The 30th oil field had been shut down for nearly 8 years following the outbreak of South Sudan's civil war in 2013. Its reopening marked an important step in reviving the country's oil sector and boosting government revenue. 1941, Germany launches Operation Barbarossa, the invasion of Russia. Operation Barbarossa was Nazi Germany's massive invasion of the Soviet Union, deploying over 3 million Axis troops along a 2,000-mile front. It became the largest military offensive in history. The surprise Blitzkrieg opened the deadly Eastern Front and marked a pivotal turning point in World War II. To some few global observances, World Rainforest Day. It is a global initiative dedicated to raising awareness about the critical importance of rainforests and driving urgent action for their protection and restoration. Founded by the Rainforest Partnership in 2017, the day unites individuals, communities, and organizations. Lastly, Positive Media Day, that encourages people to intentionally consume, create, and share inspiring, constructive, and uplifting stories across social and traditional media. And that's all for today on Today in History and some global observances, live on Ghana Talks Breakfast Show.